So MindManager is about taking ideas and putting them into action. Hi, I'm Sia Banihashemi. I'm a senior product manager with MindManager. Before I was product manager, I came into the company in 2014 as a user experience designer. So my favorite tools in MindManager, I think, are one of them is views, which I think gives you a really dynamic way to transform your data into something else. You can create something like a flowchart, another one of my favorite tools, and then use our view system to rearrange the flowchart into columns based on different types of criteria, like that you create yourself to determine how you want to categorize your information, but then you can organize it into columns, even if the original information is laid out in a process flow. In doing UX design and product management, we often need to lay out and show the process of how our customers flow through the application or use different features and what happens if you click this or if you click that and where do they go. And MindManager allows you to create that flow, but then also include metadata like images of the screen that the user sees in that scenario, maybe notes for how it's supposed to work that engineering needs to understand. You could add, for example, tags that show the status of whether that particular part of the flow has been completed or if the team is still working on it. So, it really allows you to do much more than a lot of other flowcharting software. So MindManager is about taking ideas and putting them into action. So a lot of times we need to plan things, and we use tools that are not meant for planning. If you sit down in front of an Excel spreadsheet or a Word document, there's a lot of thoughts you still have to put together. So it allows you to take ideas that might not be well formulated yet and just easily capture them in the tool, and then start to move that into action by rearranging it and organizing those ideas into hierarchical categories or hierarchical structures that let you better understand what your ideas mean or how they're connected, and then start to do things like assign those things to people or assign due dates to them, categorize them with tags, filter all that stuff. So really taking the ideas that you had, but then being able to manipulate them, add more data, and take it into the action state.